Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm in the process of putting seat covers on my car, and this is a whole nother video. You're going to have to watch my um, seat cover install video, but this video is for everyone who wants to put seat covers on their car and they can't take off their headrest. How I did it was I pulled this part right here up. I pulled that part up, and I got me a clothes hanger, a real thick clothes hanger, and I stuck it inside that groove. I stuck it inside this groove, and as I was pushing, no, not pushing. As I was pushing down, I'm pulling up on the seat, on the headrest. And when you do both of them at the same time, it's gonna fly up. And be careful, cause it may hit you in the face. So just be careful. This video is for everybody who wants to take the headrest off their seat when they're trying to install seat covers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.